Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're tackling something really crucial if you're serious about trading. We're trying to navigate the pretty crowded world of trading journals. We'll do a quick comparison of four big ones: TradesViz, TradeZella, Edgewonk, and TraderSync.
Exactly.
Oh,
And picking the right one, it's key if you want to, turn those gut feelings into actual data you can use, but they're definitely not all the same. The idea here is to help you match the tool to how you trade. Are you about the data, user experience, psychology,
mm,
or maybe just compatibility?
okay, great. Let's dive in. Starting with TradesViz, this one really screams data first. I mean, the features list is huge, over 600 performance metrics, AI, analytics, simulators. It sounds almost overwhelming. Is all that detail actually useful for, say, the average trader? Or is it just feature overload?
That's a fair question.
Hmm.
Look, TradesViz isn't aiming to be the slickest looking platform out there. It's built for deep statistical analysis, for optimizing strategies. Think high volume traders needing to find tiny edges. But here's the kicker, and maybe the most interesting part: affordability.
Yeah.
It actually starts with a totally free basic plan.
Free. Okay, that's always good to hear.
Yeah, you can import up to 3,000 trades a month, get the core reports. So it's like this analytical powerhouse, but accessible, perfect if you're watching the budget but still crave, really deep data insights.
Right. So TradesViz is the number cruncher. Then you've got TradeZella, which feels like a completely different approach, much more focused on, well, how it looks and feels.
Exactly. TradeZella is definitely the user-first option. They seem to understand that if a tool is clunky or confusing, people just won't use it. So it's got this really sleek visual interface. Things like their trade replay function are great for reviewing trades visually, almost like watching a recording.
Okay. And they mentioned something called Zello University. Is that just like a help section with a fancy name?
No, it seems more integrated than that. Zealy University provides actual courses, video lessons. It's structured learning. Really good for maybe beginners or intermediate traders who need a bit more guidance on how to actually use the journal's data effectively. And their premium plan has this cool feature where you can invite mentors to look at your journal.
Interesting. Collaboration features. Okay, now for a bit of a shift. Edgewonk. This one seems less about the numbers and more about what's going on in your head when you trade. Psychology first.
Precisely. Edgewonk carves out a unique space. It goes beyond just profit and loss. It has tools specifically designed to help you track your emotional state during trades, identify decision-making biases, spot those psychological triggers that cause mistakes. This is really the journal for someone focused on mastering the mental side of trading.
And it's different structurally too, right? It's software you download.
Yeah, that's a key difference. It's downloadable software, not web-based. The pricing is different too. A single annual fee, around $169 a year last I checked.
Yeah.
That appeals to traders who maybe prefer owning the software, not relying on a cloud subscription, data privacy, stability, that sort of thing. Got it. One-time purchase model. Okay, last one. TraderSync. This one sounds like it tries to pack everything in, kind of the compatibility first system. You could say that. It's definitely feature rich. You get the whole package, AI insights, really detailed trade tagging, a mobile app. But its main strength, the thing that really sets it apart, is probably its integration power. Versatility.
How so?
They support connections with, get this, over 900 brokers worldwide.
900?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Isn't that kind of overkill for most people?
Yeah.
Maybe for some, yeah. But think about traders using multiple brokers, maybe specialized international ones or older accounts. For them, having a journal that can pull data from everywhere seamlessly is a massive advantage. It becomes a central hub. They offer different tiers: Pro, Premium, Elite, so you can kind of scale the features based on how complex your setup is.
Okay, so we've covered the four big players. Let's try and summarize this for someone listening, trying to choose.
Sure, we can map it out simply. TradesViz. Go here if you're data obsessed, maybe high volume and budget conscious. It's the analytical workhorse. TradeZella. Choose this if you value a really smooth visual user experience and want some built-in education. Modern learner appeal. Edgewonk. This is your pick if you know your biggest challenge is mindset and emotional control, psychology focus, and TraderSync. Opt for this if you need maximum features and, crucially, broad broker integration, the versatile hub.
Right, so at the end of the day, it's not about finding the single best journal out there.
Not at all.
It's about finding the one that fits you, your style, your goals, how you learn.
Exactly. Because journaling fundamentally is about self-awareness. If the tool doesn't click with how you operate, you just won't stick with it. Choosing the right journal is really about finding the best way to translate your own trading self-knowledge into hopefully better results.